Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping and the Father's Day sale they got going on right now. All you gotta do is click the link down below, add this to your cart, and check out. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, get it now before it's too late. We have here, what is this? Oh, product brand is IQGVEB Solar Tea Tree Lights. Whoa, it's perfect. This week is gonna be hot. We got a heat wave going on here in Michigan starting tonight, so these should work good. Setting it up. Oh wow, something different for your garden. Oops, I already lost one. It's okay, we'll put it back in. Oh, we lost. Hey, look at this color. We'll definitely test these out. Here's a solar. It's interesting. So in case you're having your barbecue parties outside this summer, this would be a nice thing to get. Father's Day party, you name it. Graduation parties. Make sure you get the sticky stuff off. So, come on. Alright, how do I untangle? Do I leave it like this? So maybe you could have this on your table. Or you could... Here's an on and off switch. There we go. He's got to push it in and slide it. So this is on. It's ready to go. He's got to adjust this little flower a little bit. I'm not no flower arrangement person, so I don't know which way is these supposed to go. Hopefully I got enough juice, so I don't need to use the sun right now because it's late. Oh, we got some stuff in here. I guess put this on the ground. Oh, look. It's already started to... So you could take this, stick it in the ground. This is cool. Alright. Same thing, just peel this thing off. This is something different. Definitely a first one for me, unboxing. That looks good enough. Like I said, hit the switch, move it to there. Should start. There we go. And you could just wherever, which way you want it. Kind of like a fake plant, but still a good idea though. Pretty colorful. Then we take the rod. We stick the rod in, you know where. Oh, careful, a little sharp. So, poker. Right now we'll just stick it in there. Oh, we'll go outside in a minute. Like I said, it's nice out for once. Put that right there. See what happens if I shut these lights off. It should start going because it's still getting nighttime. So, oh yeah, look at that. That is cool. Little rose for you. That is cool. Alright, I'm going to take videos for Insta, and then we'll be right back. We're gonna go outside with these. Hold on. Alright guys, yeah, it's still bright out, but here they are. Got them inside pretty well. There's different modes you can switch to blink and the steady like it is right there. So definitely check them out. Links will be down below. You can get yours now. Zoom in a little bit more. Here you go. Here we go. See, it doesn't stick out at all. IP65 waterproof. So it should hold its own through any storm, any weather. So something to think about. Definitely check out. Leave that link down below. Here you go, YouTubers. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.